To create a QR recurring visitor pass, start by opening the CellGate app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select Access Credentials, then Visitor Passes. Make sure you're on the QR Code Visitor Pass tab, not the PIN Code Visitor Pass tab. Tap Create Visitor Pass on the bottom of the screen. Choose QR Recurring Visitor Pass. From here, you will name your visitor pass. Select the gate or gates you want to grant access to. You can also choose more than one. Press OK. Next, set your access restrictions. You can limit access by a specific date range by choosing a start date and time, and an end date and time. You can also limit access by time of day, selecting a start time and an end time. To restrict access by day of the week, select one or more days from Monday through Sunday. You can also limit access by the number of uses by entering an access count. Once your restrictions are set, tap Apply Restrictions at the bottom of the screen. Finally, tap Save. You can choose to share the visitor pass now or share it later.